Hi Kimbark Coyotes, and today I am at Doheny State Beach on October 31st, Halloween, and look at all of this on the beach here. What do you think this is? This is algae. Now, algae is super important because it is a living organism in our ocean that produces most of the oxygen on our planet. Yes, even more than plants and trees. Now, algae comes in three main colors. We have red, green, and brown algae, or rhodophyta, as we pronounce this one, red algae. And this one kind of fans out a bit. And if you eat it, it tastes a lot like carrot leaves, like salty carrot leaves. Let me demonstrate for you. Salty carrot leaves. All right, here are my two taste testers, Viv and Julianne, and they are gonna try some of this super yummy, delicious rhodophyta, or red algae. How does it taste?
Fishy and like kind of bitter. It tastes like the leaves on a carrot.
Yes. Awesome. I should have got that. So the structure of algae is very similar to a plant, although the names of the parts are not like your roots, stem, leaves, but they have the same basic function. So in a piece of algae, the roots are called the hold fasts. So you can imagine to hold them in place wherever they are in the ocean. The stem is called a stipe, and it looks like this right here. If you can see long, that's called the stipe, okay? The leaves are called blades, and then they also have these little bubbles on them that are called floats that help them to float close to the surface of the water, because just like plants, they perform photosynthesis, and that's how they make their food, and also how they produce their oxygen. So here you can see several different types of algae, and I am no expert, but here is some of that green algae we call chloroalgae. Here is some brown algae, and then of course, as you can see, the beach is just riddled with that red algae today. Now, you all are probably very familiar with algae that is called seaweed. And some of you may have even eaten seaweed in Asian food and sushi. But did you know that several products in your house, like yogurt and shampoo and ice cream, also have algae in them? Let's go take a look. What do you think all of these products might have in common besides the ingredients to make a super yummy, delicious treat? If you guess that they all contain some kind of algae, you are absolutely correct. Each of these products contains an ingredient called Carrageenan. And Carrageenan is an extract that comes from red algae, like we saw on the beach. Sometimes that red algae is called Irish moss. And this Carrageenan, which is here on this one, is used as a thickening ingredient. It gives it a creamy kind of texture that we all love. So even if you don't like eating algae, there's lots of products that you didn't even know had algae in them. I challenge you to go on a little scavenger hunt in your own home. Look for products that have Carrageenan in the ingredients list, and then take a picture of it and send it to me. Well, that's it for this edition of Crazy Critters. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time.